All right, great question. Where can you place keywords? Well, it comes down to the type of keyword. Is it your primary keyword? Is it a secondary keyword? Or is it a variation of your primary keyword? So let's take a look for an example. You can use it inside the page title and page description. Now, those two values, the page title gets used at the top of the tabs. It's also what shows up when you go to search and you have the name. This is the title here, and then this would be the meta description that's underneath. If you're using something like WordPress, there's plugins. SEO Press is one I like that are out there. Yoast, Rank Math, there's a ton of them. That'll give you the ability to easily add that to your pages. Uh, Outside of that, you can use it in your H1, which is your primary heading. Now, this is what your primary focus is. This is what it tells the search engines that your website is about. Kind of like a book title or a chapter title, if you think about it that way. You also kind of want to use it within the first couple sentences on the page. And as anchor text for any inbound links to this page. So anchor text, if you're not familiar with it, that's the text that gets used on a link. So like these two links here, it's citations and SEO consultant. In addition, you want to use it within an image file name. So you can name the image file containing your keywords or variations of your primary keyword, the alt text on an image. So that is designed to describe the image for people who are using screen readers that maybe have some accessibility issues. You don't want to just plug it full of your keyword. You do want to describe the picture, but you can, elaborate a little bit on that. So, description of this picture would be woman in a cafe browsing her local SEO organic traffic rankings, or something to that phrase. I don't even know what I used on this one, but you can do that. Another spot you can use it is up in the URL. So you want it to be the slug of the page. And then you can optionally use it within the content and in subheadings. So this is an H2 subheading. And we have local SEO, which is a variation of local SEO up there. What is local SEO? SEO, local SEO, benefits of local SEO. These are all variations of the keyword in secondary. For our secondary keywords, you want to use them within the content and within the subheadings. Now, one area you do not want to use your primary or secondary keywords is in the anchor text of your links leading out of this page. So I wouldn't want to make this link here, citations, be local SEO, because that's the word I'm trying to rank for. Hope that helps.